Hi Vikram, could you please explain what has Silicon Labs displayed at the Mauser booth in India Electronics Week?
Yes, myself Vikram. I'm a field application engineer based out in Bangalore. I'm from Silicon Labs, and here we have Matter demonstration going on. So this Matter will be a kind of a new protocol. It's a kind of derived from the chip CHIP, connected home IP-based network. So who are looking for the indoor applications like home automation or industrial automations. So can we use this protocol with the different protocols you can connect with. So what protocols is going to support this is that we have Wi-Fi based protocols and Zigbee, Thread, Z-Wave, all the protocols can communicate with this matter hub. Okay. So right now we have Thread based Qbulb and Zigbee based bulb and Wi-Fi based thermostat and also door lock and we have the doorbell. So I'm going to communicate with all these devices, the matter hub, and that's been we're going to demonstrate over here.
Okay, and this chip that Silicon Labs has developed and is displaying via module over here, is it able to connect with all of these multiple protocols simultaneously?
Yes, multiple protocols can be communicated simultaneously because that matter hub is going to control this traffic with all these kind of protocols, whatever we have used here. So, Zigbee, Thread, Wi-Fi, Z-Wave, all.
What makes this chip special or different from the competition that is there out in the
So
market?
this chip actually not only controlling this wireless protocols, it's having additional features which has additional security feature, secure vault we have enabled it, and also we have used AI ML features also there in this chipset. So that's a kind of hardware accelerator which is differentiate from other vendors, right? And also has a low power facility in this chipset. So can be used for line power applications as well as battery applications.
And who are you selling these products to in India?
In India, we are targeting to the IoT customers, like who are working for home automation or industrial automation. So those can be the targeted customers for us.
And you are here at Mauser booth. So how has Mauser helped you set this up?
So Mauser is actually our online channel partner. So they are like selling our products. Like we have a chipset, right? We are the chipset manufacturer. So like if any customers or anybody looking for quick development, right? So we have the reference designs and as well as the eval boards. So those will be sold by the Mausers.
What are the references or the resource material that is available for customers who would be interested in this chip?
For reference solutions, specific to the applications, we have reference designs and also the eval boards, generic development if customer want to make themselves, right? So we have a development platform. So this platform can be connected with any of the radio what is available in our Silicon Labs portfolio.
Okay. And when it comes to home, you mentioned security and aspect. So how is this chip enabling that security?
As a hardware security feature, we have enabled it as a secure vault. So that
Could you just explain that to us?
so that security is like a TRNG, true random number generation. We have included and secure element. So any cryptography you want to include in your application, right? For data secure, encryption and decryption, you can use it. So those are included in this security feature.
Isn't this technology already out there? Why should a customer choose this product? What makes it technologically better?
So this is like actually a new technology, matter. So it's not being every customer as BLE, Zigbee, Wi-Fi we already have in the market. But matter will be the new technology which will be used for next generation products. Okay, so with single hub with one matter hub, you can control all the devices within your home. So that's why it is very different from other protocols.
Okay. And apart from Matter, how is this? How is the company supporting like the products out there which are in India? How big is this demand for Matter based product chips which support Matter? How is the demand like?
The demand is actually comes from the different home automation.
But currently, from what I understand, a lot of it is doing BLE, Bluetooth Low Power Energy. So, how is BLE and Matter different?
So in Matter, BLE is part of that. So for any of the device you want to commission, right? So BLE can help to commission to the network, and from there you want to control the particular, for an example, you want to control the bulb, right? So first you will commission over the Bluetooth, and then control over the thread. So that's how it is.
And you're running all of these devices simultaneously. So how are you managing the power aspect, the heating aspect?
So this is actually a line power devices. So
But in a real world application, we may not have all line power devices.
some could be sensor devices.
Yes.
It's very low power chipset.
Yes.
So it supports the slip current goes up to 50 microampere.
Okay. And what all devices can it support? What kind of devices can it support?
You mean the products?
Yeah.
What kind of sensor device?
Yeah.
So for an example, like a thermostat and video doorbell, right? And also like a kind of curtain controlling light bulb. And you can control it.
So
Also,
all low power applications, not like you're turning off your TV or your AC or things like that.
that also can be controlled.
Okay.
Yes, that
Okay.
also can be controlled. So those are the line power devices.
Okay.
AC, refrigerator, and your TV. So with smart lock or smart plug, you can able to control those devices.
Okay. And what kind of support does Silicon Labs offer in implementation of this stuff?
Right. So that's a good question actually. So you want to develop your application. So what Silicon Labs help you, right? So Silicon Labs will be helping from the scratch that bringing up the board. So we will help with the eval boards first and starting the development, starting off with our examples. And those are enabled with our Simplicity Studio. That's our IDE. We are providing free tool to develop the application. Okay, and there, like if they want to go with proto level, so we can help customers to make their hardware review with our RF experts, and then we'll make customers easy on the RF evolution, all those things, and bringing to the market.
Okay. So Silicon Labs offers support right from design, development till production and end implementation as well. Is that what you want to say?
Yes, correct. That's
Okay. And what about after sales if any issues encountered? Does Silicon Labs offer support over there to its partners?
So yeah, we have authorized channel partners, like Mouser is an online channel partner, and we have authorized channel partners like we have Edom and Arrow. Likewise, worldwide different distributors are there. So in case customer are looking for the mass production, right? So we have certain lead times. Based on that, we can help.
So basically, your support is limited to prototyping stage. Am I right?
Not only prototyping stage, we will help going to the mass production also.
Mass production as well. Okay. Anything else that is in future for this chipset? Will we see a version, next gen version
Yes,
for
actually,
this?
so currently this MG24 is on the 14 nanometer technology. So the next will be 22 nanometer technology. So that we are coming with under 2 quarters.
Okay. And how will that be different from this one? What?
The technology will be evolving, right? So 14 nanometer, 22 nanometer. The size of the wafer will be reduced. The
Okay.
cost will be reduced.
Okay.
So low power.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. And but the lower the wafer size, won't you have to manage the heating aspect?
So that
Heat
actually,
power considerations will also change, no?
yes. So we have internal DC-DC power. So all in the design level, we have all this derived, and we have compact everything in single chip. So with that, the DC-DC technology, so you can able to make better use of this power.
All right.
And also we have enabled energy modes in our chipset, so that your chipset will not be in a full run mode. Otherwise, you can go to the sleep mode and can save the power.
Okay, okay. And will Mouser be the authorized channel for distribution of that chip as well?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Anything else you would like to add?
Yes, so the not only Matter we have Matter chipsets, so we are into the other wireless protocols like Bison, okay, and Z-Wave also we have, and proprietary also we do, and also like we will be targeting with another applications like wearable segments, right, and smart meter segments. So we in India we are well business with smart meter right now. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much.